Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Sling TV on your Apple TV, follow these simple steps to start streaming live television and on-demand content right away. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store from your home screen. Use your Apple TV remote to browse or search for applications. Step 2. In the App Store search bar, type Sling TV and press the Select button. Find the official Sling TV app in the search results and select it. Step 3. Click Get or Download to install the Sling TV app on your Apple TV. Wait for the download and installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 4. Once installed, open the Sling TV app from your Apple TV home screen. The app will launch and display a welcome screen with sign-in options. Step 5. Select Sign In if you already have a Sling TV account, or choose Try It Free or Sign Up if you're a new user. Existing subscribers should log in with their credentials. Step 6. If signing in, enter your Sling TV email address and password using the on-screen keyboard. Navigate through the letters using your Apple TV remote and select each character carefully. Step 7. After successful sign-in, your Sling TV account will be linked to your Apple TV. The app may ask you to select your subscription preferences or customize your channel lineup based on your package. Step 8. Browse through the available channels and content to ensure everything is working correctly. You can now watch live TV, access your DVR recordings if you have cloud DVR, and enjoy on-demand shows and movies on your Apple TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.